my channel Alive with Motorcycling. Now as you know, I own a Royal Enfield Himalayan and like to explore as much as I can, and have mostly been places to like this and this or this. Now all these footages look very exciting and adventurous at one point of time, but can turn the other way around if you jeopardize your bike or getting a flat tire. No matter where I am going, there is a constant fear in the back of my mind, like what if I get a flat tire?
This got into my rear tire and it made a big hole over here. Now I doubt whether it will cause another puncture on my way to Siliguri or not.
Now my motorcycle, which is a Himalayan, and it has spoke wheels because of its adventure category build, and it does not have a tubeless tire, and it has a high probability of getting a flat tire. But recently I was going through the internet and I came up with a solution, and here it is. I got it from Amazon for around 1500 rupees. It's Seelin H Tyre Sealant for all type of tube tires, and its quantity is about 1000 ml. Now this is the bill. Seelin H Tyre Sealant for all types of tube tires containing 1000 ml, and they have charged me around 1588. Now this is the product, and what the company is claiming is that it will cause no more flats and extended tire life, and it is also saying that it will provide armor for the road for your tire, and they are also celebrating 10 years of anniversary, and mostly it is for Royal Enfield motorcycles. They have given terms and conditions. They have also given the address of their website, that is www.seelin.in, and also some warranty clauses, caution, and it has been mentioned that it is specially packed for Royal Enfield motorcycles. The good thing is that it is a ISO 9001-2015 certified company. The rating of this ISO standard is very high, and if the company claims that it has passed all the tests made by ISO 9001-2015 certified company, then this product must be really good. This is what is shown in the bottle itself: ARAI, then IRMRA, TVS, and finally ISO 9001-2015 certified company. I'm not making any of this. Now the quantity is 1000 ml, and they also have provided a bar by which you can make it out how much to fill in which tires. I think it will be prudent enough if you put 60% of this in the rear tire and 40% in the front tire. Using of this product is very easy. You'll just have to break this seal, and you will have to open this thing up. You will have to take out the valve of your tube, release the air. You will have to connect this to the nozzle, and you will have to squeeze this product inside your tube. Now one thing I want to mention before putting this thing inside your tube is that this is Seelin H. This is specially for tubes and not for tubeless tires. So if you have tubeless tires, you have other options in the internet. You can go and always check them out. And that's how the work is done. Now for this sealant to work, your vehicle should be in motion, or you will have to rotate the wheels of the vehicle so that this sealant spreads all throughout your tube, and in case of any puncture, it will lock from inside the loss of air pressure. Now if you want to know where I am heading next, you can subscribe my channel or like my video and comment your thoughts. And guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Himalayan_RE_SAIKAT. That is my name, and I'll leave a link of that in my description box. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, ciao.